Are you ready to explore Italy without breaking the bank? In this video, I'm going to show you how to save big on your train travel with the best Italiarail coupons, promo codes, and discounts. Whether you're planning a scenic trip across Italy or need a quick ride to a beautiful city, these steps will help you get the best deal on your tickets. Step 1. Start by visiting promosavr.net, a trusted platform where you can find the latest Italiarail discount codes. I've made it easy for you by including the link in the description and comments below this video. Just click on the link and you're ready to start saving. Step 2. Browse through the available promo codes and select the one that offers the biggest discount for your travel dates. Whether you're booking for a short getaway or a long, scenic train ride across Italy, there's a code for you to save even more. Step 3. Once you've picked your promo code, apply it during checkout when booking your Italiarail tickets. Watch the price drop instantly as your discount is applied and enjoy the savings. Don't wait. Watch this video, grab your discount codes, and start planning your dream Italian trip today. Get ready to save big and experience Italy in the most convenient and cost-effective way possible. Let's make your travel dreams come true, one train ride at a time.